flowers in more than 2 weeks. Okay, it's more than no, more than 1 week or almost 2 weeks. That one, it's happened already. If I didn't put water, it's the same. Oh, you see, it's the same. If I put water, this one, same as usual. Because I think these mga flowers, they put already this one, some medicine, or I don't know, that they can make fresh until more than 1 week. Oh, you see? Oh, look, it's very nice to see it. Oh, ganun lang din ang buhay ng tao. Oh, like our life. Sometimes we are very fresh and very strong, and there is a time also that we are sad or sickness, like that one ba. We cannot feel always 100% that we are very healthy. Okay, that's why we must take care of ourselves also. And this one is the flower that it's make the pretty, what's the name that one? Preserve yata nila this one. Or, ewan ko kung plastic. I didn't open this one. Okay. We can open pa na this one. Okay. Yeah. See, parang ano siya, parang it's like a paper flower. Yeah. It's a little bit smooth also. Not sticky. Oh, not sticky. Not hard. Not hard. Oh, you know. Smoothly, you know. Not hard, but what I mean. It's not very hard. Like, it's nice. Basta nice. Parang naka-serve siya. Naka-reserve. That is the naka-decoration. Mga decor. Some people that they have very higher thinking minded. I just make you want to make me funny while you're watching my video. Okay. Oh, you see. And this one is shell. So you see how creative they are also. Not only mga Filipino or mga Asian countries. Oh, how creative they are. I don't know from where this one also. Oh, yeah, like a pearl also. Pearl from their shells. And I don't know what's inside of this one. Oh, the flowers. Okay. Oh, ayan. Creative. Very creative din. To mix in the box. So, this one though is very expensive here. This one. But in the Philippines, you can see this one anywhere. Except in the city, but in the mga tanim, sa mga baryo-baryo, sa mga farm, they have a lot. Oh, you see? Look there. Very expensive, that one there. It's used too much talaga, that one. But I don't know. I don't think so. Basta since when in childhood or high school, if I saw this one in our Asian, in our hometown, it's just ordinary for us. Nice colors. Thank you again for watching. Thank you to subscribe me. Thank you to support my channel, my YouTube channel. And thank you very much. Shout out to all nationwide and worldwide. I cannot mention to you everyone, all of you. So I'm just generalized to say shout out to all of us nationwide and worldwide. Good health and God bless us all. And bye.